Did you know that your thoughts can shape your reality, even your health and happiness? One of the greatest teachers of self healing believed that every negative emotion we hold can create a blocks in our body life. Even when you change your thoughts with love and acceptance, you open the door to true healing. This video, let's explore the secrets of healing and self love that can truly change your life starting from within. Healing is not just about fixing what's broken, it's about remembering what's whole. In this video, we will explore the hidden connection between your thoughts, your emotions, and your ability to love yourself deeply. Because when you change your thoughts, you don't just shift your mindset, you shift your energy, your choice, your entire life. Whether you are navigating emotional wounds, self doubt, or simply seeking peace, this journey begins with one powerful truth: you are worthy, you are whole, and you have the power to heal. So, welcome to Secrets to Healing and Self Love, where transformation begins from within. So, mind and body connection. Every physical illness has a emotional cause. Negative emotions like anger, guilt, resentment can manifest as disease. Yes, my dear friends, will create the back pain and the throat pain, different kind of diseases. For example, if you don't have the support, you will get a back pain, and the throat pain create fear of speaking up. The stomach issues because of guilty digesting new ideas or changes. So every physical illness has emotional cause. Negative emotions like anger, guilt, or resentment can manifest as diseases. Healing starts when we release emotional blockages, replace them with love and acceptance. So whatever regrets we have in the past, whether it is a kind of a guilt, fear, anger, jealousy, all those blockages, it will not make you to move easily in the present situation. So when that release happens from the past, you let go of the things, self-love begins. Once the self-love begins, you will see the magic of healing within yourself. Power of self-love. The foundation of healing philosophy, loving yourself is key to all healings. Most people problems come from self-criticism and lack of self-worth. I am not enough. I don't deserve that. So these kind of opinions makes you always resign within yourself. So most people problems come from self-criticism, and by learning to love and approve yourself, you open the doors to physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. I love and approve myself. I am worthy of doing good. So affirmations you tell to yourself, I love myself, I love myself. So your body listens to you, your mind listens to you, and your sensations listens to you, and it will start improving your self-worth and creating the beauty and immunity inside your body. Affirmation, reprogramming the subconscious mind. Words are powerful tool to reshape your thoughts. I am safe. All is well in my world. I forgive myself and set myself free. Abundance flows freely through me. And these kind of self-talks, whatever you say to yourself, that will reshape your thoughts, your self-confidence, your self-worth, and your frequency. That changes your frequency. Something wants to change your life, you need to change your frequency first. For example, your job earnings are equal to 1 lakh per month. So you are aligned with that frequency. For example, if you want to change from 1 lakh to 5 lakhs, you need to align your frequency to 5 lakhs, either by adding your skills or you are adding value addition to the job, your automatically changes salary from 1 lakh to 5 lakh. So the frequency, the vibrations, what you generate to yourself depends upon how self-worthy you are. The affirmations are positive statements that reprogram your subconscious mind. Whatever the belief, past beliefs are stored in your subconscious mind, where 95% of our operations come from subconscious mind, and only 5% we operate consciously. So when we change that 95%, automatically our belief system changes. Based on belief system, the way we think, feel, accept, and move ahead, completely changes. Repeating them daily changes your inner beliefs, attitude, and outcomes. Forgiveness and release. Holding on to anger, guilt keeps us emotionally, physically sick. Forgiveness is not about excusing others, but freeing ourselves from emotional poison. The past has no power over me. I choose to live in the present moment. These kind of affirmations you have to tell to yourself, and repeatedly, 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 your mind perceives this. So when you forgive, you create space for healing, peace. You need to forgive the people and forget the past event and situations of whatever happened for your own sake. Creating a positive inner dialogue. Self-talk shapes inner image and self-image. Replace I can't, I am not enough with empowering thoughts. Subconscious accepts what we repeat. We choose words that lift you up, right? So I can't, I am not enough. These are negative directions to your mind. I am enough. I can. And you repeat these words, and your mind listens to this. And when you repeat again and again, you will subconsciously you prepare yourself for doing the great activities, because our mind doesn't know whether it is a real or fake. That is the reason, fake it and you make it. So when you repeat what you do repeatedly, and your mind takes that one into reality. So you are creator of your reality. Life mirrors our inner beliefs. If you want different results, you must change your inner story. Healing, abundance, and love all begin with a shift in consciousness. So when you shift your consciousness from lower level to higher level, think big and accept the people, accept the situations, and don't be football of others' opinion. And live in the present moment, not in the fear, greed, insecurity, and guilt kind of a future or past. So for this purpose, daily practice we recommend morning affirmations or mirror work, looking in the mirror and speaking kindly to yourself and saying good affirmation. I love myself and universe is giving so much to me. Universe, thank you so much. You have given so much to me. Give me more. Abundance flows freely through me. I forgive myself and set myself free. I am safe. All is well in my world. I love myself. I approve myself. I am worthy of good things. So if you repeat this self, your self-confidence, the way you think, the way you behave, your emotions completely it will change. Once you love yourself, you will heal yourself and it will change your life. So gratitude journaling and listing them to appreciate. So meditate in quiet reflection and releasing old resentment before sleep. The universe abundance flows within you. For others of healing teachings, when you truly love yourself, everything in life works out beautifully. Wisdom is simple yet transformative. Remember that healing begins with kindness to yourself and belief in your own power to change.